Hello, friends. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is fine. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my small poetry. That is the 17th poetry I have written 30, 31 years back. So, the poetry is originally written in Bangla. My mother language is Bangla. So, I'll recite this poetry first in Bangla, then I'll try to understand what I have written 31 years back. That is what the whole idea. So, friends, let me recite this poetry. This was taken from my poetry book, Raat Kutharer Gan. কবিতার নাম জলসা ঘর, দ্য মিউজিক্যাল রুম। স্বর্গের দেবদেবীরা মর্তে আসছেন জলসা করতে, দুর্গা আসছেন আগে ভাগে। স্বর্গের দেবদেবীরা মর্তে আসছেন জলসা করতে, দুর্গা আসছেন আগে ভাগে। কলেজ স্ট্রিটের বেনারসি হাউস থেকে শাড়ির অর্ডার দেওয়া হয়েছে। বেনারসি পরার শখ দুর্গার অনেক কালের। লক্ষ্মী আসছেন, সরস্বতী আসছেন, সবাই এক প্রস্ত নেচে যাবেন মর্তের ডায়াসে। শিব আসছেন হিরোর বেশে, শিব আসছেন হিরোর বেশে। গাজার অর্ডার দেয়া হয়েছে। সিদ্ধিদাতা গণেশ আসছেন, সিদ্ধিদাতা গণেশ আসছেন। একটা চমক অপেক্ষা করছে ওর আগমনে। হাততালির জন্য সবাই প্রস্তুত। লক্ষ্মী, দুর্গা, সরস্বতী, কার্তিক সবাই আসছেন। নাচবেন, নাচাবেন, গাইবেন, গাওয়াবেন। আর লাভের টাকা দিয়ে বেহালায় ভেজাল তেল খেয়ে পঙ্গু হওয়া মানুষদের শুশ্রূষা করা হবে। মহিষাসুর আসছেন, মহিষাসুর আসছেন শান্তির দূত হিসেবে। আজই নিরস্ত্রীকরণের কথাটা ঘোষণা করবেন। মর্তের মানুষেরা ফেলফেলিয়ে তাকিয়ে আছে স্বর্গের দেবদেবীদের মর্তে আগমনে। মর্তের মানুষেরা ফেলফেলিয়ে তাকিয়ে আছে স্বর্গের দেবদেবীদের মর্তে আগমনে। Friends, thank you very much for listening this Bengali who understand the Bengali or Bangla language. Probably they have understood what I want to convey, but probably those who are not familiar with Bangla, for them I have a little clarification from my side. I'm trying to decode this poetry. Jalsa Ghar is a kind of a musical room or musical platform that in real life you see. In India, especially in Bengal, there are so much god and goddess. There are countless. So out of all god and goddess, Durga family, Durga, you know, Durga, Shiv, her husband is Shiv. They have a big family. So every year they come to Mother India or Mother Bengal, especially Mother Bengal, because we Bengali people, they celebrate Durga Puja in a much more rigorous way, deeper way, because we feel that we have so much love and respect for Durga. So nowadays Durga Puja is one of the festival. It is going through generation after generation. But nowadays it has been lot of commercialization has taken place, lot of money has been put in from government side, like no, they will give you money to organize Durga Puja. That means it is one of the political agenda also. So you get good amount of money for celebrating Ma Durga. So what this poetry 31 year back, now this present day was not there 31 years back. We used to have Durga Puja with great devotion, used to go Durga Mandap, we used to see Kartik, Lakshmi, Saraswati, everybody was there. We used to pray. There are little musical program, little dance. 4 5 days the celebration goes on. Then Dasami. That is what in India also similar way it is been celebrated. But we Bengalis are more emotional because we feel that we have a copyright of Durga. So we are much more devoted to Durga, and that is what it is. So before Durga comes, there is a say that they all live in heaven. That is what it is. They are from the different world. That is the heaven they live. It is a good place to live. That is what our everybody is feeling that way. And once in a year they come down to the Mother Earth. Okay, so that is what the whole idea. So first of all, if Durga has to come, she needs in Mother Earth a lot of materialistic thing like a Banarasi sari because she loves all those saris and all kids like no Durga has many kids, Kartik, Ganesh, Lakshmi, Saraswati. So they are very creative. They are creative in their own way. In present day, if all those Durga, Lakshmi, Kartik, Ganesh was there, they can handle a ministry altogether. If you imagine Durga is handling Prime Minister of India, then all those Lakshmi can handle the finance department, Saraswati education department, Ganesh cabinet minister for finance department. So all those things can be handled. So those are the things responsibility can be given to them in a imaginary form. Mahishasur also can be given the defense he can handle in much better way. That is basically kind of an enjoyment they want to give. That 3 4 5 days like Sashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dasami. Basically those days are during Durga Puja, they come, they make a lot of enjoyment. It has been told that if they are given a chance to make one day those kind of like we have seen in the picture Nayak. So if somebody is given a position for one day chief ministership, probably what they can do. Here also, if given opportunity, right, Durga, Shiv can be given the post of president of India. So Shiv is in a different kind of attitude, different kind of his level is totally different. Shiv is in a fifth or sixth level, like and Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, even they are in reality, but Shiv in a very cloud state, right? What I was trying to tell over here is all those goddess and coming and we the people like of India or especially Bengal, we eagerly wait for the god and goddess to come and we wait for their opportunity and blessing. So this is what it is, and especially Mohishashur is talking about Santi, peace, message of peace and humanity. So if Mahishasur has to speak about peace and humanity, so it's basically a political role. Sometimes you know the role of Mahishasur. So he's also carrying the message of peace. And we people like when Puja is coming, Durga Puja is coming. we try to capitalized by serving the people, whoever is downtrodden some kind of thing. Adult people have affected with adulterated food and all. So whatever money we collect through Durga Puja, we see or we show to the people that there are a lot of charity work is going on. There are so much advertisement, so much money is collected. It is basically like a nowadays puja is basically is not a kind of a festival. It is coming from your heart. It is basically a kind of a business. That is what I want to tell you. It is, let be very straight also. And everybody is linked to political system nowadays. It is nothing to do with anything. So if you are doing this exercise, probably you will be getting this much money. So people are eager to involve themselves or engage themselves for such kind of activities. That is all about. So with the mirth, there is heaven, and this is the mirth. You can hell. The mirth is hell or heaven, I really do not know. But I personally feel when the God sees from heaven to this Mother Earth, whether they feel it is a hell or it is a neutral place, I really do not know. Sometimes they come. Similar way, this poetry has got a different meaning. Our political system, our political leaders, we see them as a god and goddess. First, I told you about the meaning of this Durga Lakshmi Saraswati, what it means, their individual role I have mentioned. Now, if I have to draw the poetic meaning, our democracy is also a Jalsa Ghar, a musical platform. Every 5 years, we have the election process. Everybody comes, our political leader, like they are like Durga, Shiv, and I have not told Shiv also when it comes to Mother Earth, he needs ganja. Ganja is very famous thing. So he wants to be very in a relaxed mode. Sometimes if you go, some people they go holiday on some places, they want to relax. But Shiv wants to come to Mother Earth, but he needs to have this ganja. Ganja means you know it. I'm not explaining that part. It's a if you inhale this ganja, like you will be in a different world altogether. It's not heaven. Heaven plus. So it's a jet plus security kind of thing. So Sib will be, and then he will start to dance. He will dance like a fifth degree, sixth degree dance. Sib is going to do that. So similar way, all those political leaders when they come to the Mother Earth from the heaven for election, we see common people, the people who are having a small house, even no house, one time meal, they see the when the political leader comes like a god and goddess. Their speeches, beautiful speeches, wonderful their agendas. They say in a very polite way, they say, give me vote, I'll give you this much. So I'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll take care everything for you. So the way you go to temple, like you ask for God, help me. So after so many reminder to God, probably sometime God feels asking so many things. Let her give all those things. Similar way, our political leaders they talk about I'll give you job, I'll give you food, I'll give you ration, I'll give you everything at your doorstep. Please don't work. You only produce kids. Even after that also I'll take care their education. I'll give them mobile, I'll give them laptop, I'll give them cycle, I'll make them road, I'll give all ration at their doorstep. They have also advised to the people who are dying that after death also will send money to heaven also. No problem. So political promises are so much. So we believe those people because we feel they are God and Goddess and they have the wisdom to do that, and we give them vote because we are very emotionally charged because we believe in Maya. These Mayas are very, very thing. Once let's like no, you go to a spiritual leader after getting all kind of spirited things. Spiritual leader speaks about many things. There is nothing absolutely in this world. Whatever you have is equal to whatever I have. They say in that way, like no, whatever you have means whatever. All those things belongs to this Mother Earth. So don't worry about anything. It means whatever money I have in my account, same money you think you have, even if you do not have a single rupee in your account. In that level, you think. What is there not to think? So, in that context, what you do, whatever 2 3 rupees you had, you also give that money in front of that spiritual leader as a donation. So, you come back home with a little spirit that you have everything, but you drink a glass of water and you sleep. So, my purpose of telling all those things are so we are living in a Mayabad zone. In Jalsaghar, this platform is made because of this Maya. So every year, we work, we slog. Sometimes you don't earn. You feel that Ma Durga will come and she is going to reduce your all kind of pain, all kind of stress, whatever stress level you have. Even if you have read stress biology, they will bring down to a normal biology. So you can do normal activities. So God and Goddess only have the wisdom to reduce your stress. They have the wisdom to uplift your poverty line. So that is what the agenda of our society or political system is also doing, rather than coming to a rationality or rational thought process that they are not exercising. So now society is also God driven. God driven means if you stop somewhere, you hold your hand, say, God help me. So I really do not know whether God is going to help you or not. Probably that is what we are being told. And every year, this kind of things are coming now. It is kind of a some agenda of a political system. That is what it is. Even though, in my opinion, that God and Goddess, it should not be our private practice of certain religion, certain God and Goddess. It should be kept away from the political system. It should not be the agenda of a political parties. It should not be the imposition of any political parties. They should talk about the development part, what best can do, but they are not doing it. This I have written 31 years back when communist was there. Mr. Jyoti Bosu was very much there in the political system. I was MSc student. So Jyoti Bosu was dead against the industrialization. He was dead against about the development. In his time, the maximum industries was shut down in Bengal. So he is the longest serving chief minister of West Bengal. So I thought that Mr. Jyoti Bosu was a Shiva, Lord Shiva. Even though he was a communist, I know they don't believe in kind of ideals. But now I could see there are a lot of kids nowadays of Jyoti Bosu followers. They are carrying all kind of ideals, and this is totally against the belief of communism. They're making all kind of dharam policy. It is started, I told long back, why I don't like, I hate communists, that is what I want to tell you. And 31 years back, I have written the same thing because this fellow is treated as a great leader. I told you it is nothing to boast about somebody. One has to critically analyze. If Mr. Jyoti Basu has to be analyzed, his 31, 32 years term, I see is a crap. Nothing he has done, but we people of Bengal are very emotional because he is a Bhadralok. He is a Bhadra Bengali. Bhadra communist Bengali. He came from Bangladesh and to serve Bengal, and his personal life is totally under dark. His son is, he says that he doesn't have anything. He doesn't have a single penny, but he has got all this money that is transferred in the name of wife, in the name of his son Chandan Bose. Who is Chandan Bose? I want everybody to get into this thing. He is industrialist. So friends, our hypocrisy has got some limit. When you cross that limit, I every time I say the same thing again and again that if you really want to know certain things, you want to know the politics of India, politics of communist people, how they have destroyed the common people, one need to get into the history part rather than thinking Jyoti Basu is a famous great politician. I know Alimuddin Street very well than anybody. I have begged for those political parties, I have given chanda to them. They do not have respect. Once they get chanda from these young kids who comes to the college and all, they force them to go and beg in Esplanade Street. And evening they will tell you to come to Alimuddin Street. They enjoy with our money. I told you they do not have any vision for development. Absolutely no vision. They are enjoying the first floor, second floor of Alimuddin Street. All the political leader whoever have enjoyed ministry and in everything. I can name and each and every politician. Last 30 years they have grown their hair little much more white, whiter than before. Jyoti Basu never used to stay in Alimuddin Street, but the rest people they used to stay. They enjoy our chanda money for their food. What they will talk about the development, what idea they have development. They have few lines of communism, first, second, third. They know only equality. They do not know how to bring equality because they only know when their stomach is empty, then they talk about the equality. When their stomach is full, they forget about the whole thing. They do not have any wisdom for developing or thinking for the common people of Bengal, especially. Forget about all India activities. Same thing is happening in Kerala. So, friends, what I am trying to tell over here 30 years back, I was just a 20 years kid. I had the same opinion about the communist because I was involved. Emotionally, you might be involved, but you can always come out from this maze what you have seen. So, I have taken out. I thought probably it's a garbage. You cannot build your career in a political system. The kind of within the system also they have many nepotism, many layers, priorities. If in communists talk about fairness, fair selection is nothing like that. They have the internal politics that is very much known. They have drifted their ideology from one dimension to another. They are only like we say today, Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Nobody respect Mahatma Gandhi. I challenge that bring any Gandhian who feel that I follow Mahatma Gandhi. I'll talk to this person. Similar way, if somebody is telling that I am following Marxism, Leninism, bring him. I'll sit with him, discuss few things. It's my open challenge because I was involved with those activities. Similar way, socialist movement. I have gone into the depth of this thing. I have taken a aside that politics is a very dirty thing. So it is not your cup of tea. If you feel politics is good, if you have your own wisdom, probably you can go. Friends, this is the Jalsaghar I was trying to tell that this is a funny world of everything. Our democracy has got a lot of drama also. তো বন্ধুরা আমি যেটা বলতে চেয়েছিলাম বাংলাতে পরিষ্কার বাংলাতে বলেছি আমি বলেও দিয়েছি এটাতে কি হবে ডেমোক্রেসি এটা রঙ্গমঞ্চ শেক্সপিয়ার থেকে শুরু করে ওয়ার্ডসওয়ার্থ থেকে বলে ভালো কথা বলে গিয়েছিল অল দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড ইজ এ স্টেজ all men and women may all the world is a stage and all men and women mere players they have their exist and entrance. तो ये दुनिया रंगमंच है रविन्द्रनाथ भी बोल के गया था रंगमंच में हम सब पुतलिया नाच रहा है तो नाचो नाचने के बाद आपको क्या मिलेगा कॉमन आदमी को क्या मिलता है अगर रोटी मिल गया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है खुश हो जाता है साहब आपने बहुत बहुत दे दिया हमको आपका मेहरबानी हो जाए आपका दुनिया आपको आपके पास रहे और 10 साल आप रहो सर एक रोटी के बदले में और 10 साल 15 साल 20 साल आप राज करो इसी उम्मीद में हम कॉमन आदमी जी रहा है डिटेल में नहीं जा रहा है सिमिलर हो ये 4-5 दिन में जब ये सब भगवान नीचे आता है हम सोचते हैं हम बहुत अच्छा हो गया तो मैंने ये भी बोला ये जो भेजाल तेल का बात कर रहा है भेजाल तेल कौन कर रहा है जो एडल्ट्रेटेड फूड का बात कर रहा है देखिए मैं जो चीज़ बोलना चाहता हूँ इसमें बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स पोइट्री है ये दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स पोइट्री as I told you it is linked to many issues so in India in one hand you follow certain god and goddess you are very devotee at home you have everything but India is the highest rating corrupted country in terms of corruption in terms of many issues rape and all those things so if we feel that 90-95% people are very spiritual they are affiliated to some god and goddess and every morning they do the prayer every week they go to the temple every week they go for donation for certain places who is doing corruption then that is what I have the wisdom to know who is raping the young kids young girls on roadside tapping them and raping them killing them who are doing it friends I again getting into this subject will be much more complicated very complicated our society is a very hypocritical we have agendas we do not have wish to clear it of certain things we try to suppress all those things whenever required we bring those issues we do not have the wisdom to clean up the system if that is required your belief of god should be separated out from the politics your politics can be separated out from the agendas for development each thing can be taken into consideration in a very rational way because believing God is a very personal matter. In a political system, when they are in power, the development is the agenda for the people, and that time you have to give a very kind of rational thought. So one should not mix up between those things. That is what I want to tell over here. And those political system I told many times, the communist. I have very special love for communist because I have given certain time. When you love somebody by hearted, once you go and see their real face, I have every right to criticize Mr. Jyoti Bosu. Whoever is telling he is a good person, I'll write against that. He is the most worst politician have ever created in Bengal. Ruled one generation. Nothing he has done except his welfare. He is a very smart fellow. He has got education from the Britain, that is what it is. He feels that he is a very clever show. Rabbits are also very clever. So There is nothing to worry about it. History will judge him. Because no political leader has got right to destroy the generation with their bad policies. That's what my question. Let them do dirty politics, no problem, but keep at least some development agenda. That agenda has to be fulfilled, that focus has to be there. That is the main objective. That is what I feel personally. Otherwise, this democracy will be in danger few days. I have told in many videos that our grandfather, father, whoever fought for this freedom, after few years, it will be gone. It will be a gone case if we don't rectify or change the mindset up. So, friends, I talked about my Jalsaghar poetry, and I was very young and emotional. I was also going through Mayabad, but there is no Mayabad over here. Absolutely no Mayabad over here. This Mayabad is destroying our society. Maya is destroying. Thank you so much for hearing this morning poetry. Sometimes you feel that I am boring all those people. So it is I am explaining myself because I want to know that at the age of 18 or 20, what was my thought process. Probably I could not have got the opportunity to speak after many years if I could not have written this poetry. And I personally feel that it is one of the most finest poetry that I have written in my life. Every time I feel that how come I had so much wisdom and knowledge at that time, even though I was a bad student, damn student. Teacher used to tell me that you are not supposed to read biology, biotechnology. You don't deserve to be. You are a failed fellow, right? That is what the certificate my teachers used to give. But my wisdom used to feel otherwise. I always say, let the whole world think the way they want to think. It is your wisdom. So I never used to be very angry or something like that. It was fine. Thank you very much once again for hearing this poetry, Jol Sagar. थैंक यू बाय बाय टेक केयर आई हैव नॉट टॉक्ड हिंदी में मैंने नहीं बोला एक शब्द नहीं बोलेगा मेरा बहुत दुख हो जाएगा हम दुखी हो जाएंगे ये जलसागर पोइट्री जो है ये पोइट्री में हम लोग को इंडिया में बंगाल में सब जगह में दुर्गा पूजा होता है दुर्गा का बहुत बड़ी लंबी फैमिली है साल में 3-4 दिन के लिए वो लोग सड़क से नीचे आता है सो हमको बहुत आनंद देता है आनंद आनंद मतलब प्रेमानंद जिसको बोलते हो दिल खुश होने वाला होता है सब कुछ करते हैं वो लोग बहुत सारा प्रोग्राम करते हैं सड़क से जब आता है हम लोग खुश हो जाता है दुर्गा के लिए हम लोग वाराणसी से साड़ी मंगवाता है सब कुछ करते हैं 4-5 दिन बंगाली में इंडिया में बहुत सारे जगह में इसको बहुत सारा अच्छे से इसको करा जाता है इसके बाद ये विसर्जन में चले जाते हैं फिर सिमिलर वे ये जो आनंद देता है आनंद हमारे लिए एक साल के लिए एनर्जी होता है जैसे होता है ना अब साल में आपका गांव में खेती में धान होता है गेहूं होता है अब साल में 1-2 बार हो गया उसको स्टोर करके रख देते हो ऐसे देव देवी जो आते हैं एक बार आपको इतना अच्छा नॉलेज विजडम देके जाते हैं ना साल भर के लिए वो आपको आपका नॉलेज का जो खाना होता है ना वो आपको बन जाता है सिमिलर वे हमारा पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम भी देखो 5 साल में एक बार आता है आपसे वोट मांगता है आपको बोलता है सब कुछ करके देंगे नौकरी करवा देंगे शादी करवा देंगे साइकिल दिला देंगे वो कोई अंदन स्वामी का कोई गाना है ना बांग्ला घाटी मोटर दिला देंगे सो हमको भी लिफ्ट करवा दे ऐसा सब कुछ बोल के वो जाता है तो जो पाकिस्तानी सिंगर जो अभी इंडिया में आया ऐसा ही कुछ अभी पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम भी ऐसे ही कुछ बोलते रहता है सब कुछ आपको करके देंगे वोट ख़त्म हो जाती है तो क्या करता है आपको मालूम है सिमिलर वे सड़क से जो आता है सब ऐसे ऐसे ही करके चले जाते हैं तो उसी का आनंद में हम लोग माया में जी रहा है इतना ही पोइट्री में है तो हम लोग पॉलिटिकल लीडर लोग को ऐसे देव देवी हिसाब से देखते हैं तो घर पे कभी कभी इतना इमोशनल हो जाता है, हम उसको मूर्ति भी बना लेते हैं, पूजा भी करता है, बहुत सारा चीज़ करते रहता है। फ्रेंड्स, मैंने हिंदी में बोला, हिंदी भाषी तो बांग्ला भी थोड़ा समझ जाता है, उसमें समझ लो मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ। बहुत लंबा टाइम बोल लिया। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग दिस। तो सुबह सुबह it's a good exercise for me probably. Whatever you want to extract, probably you can extract it. Bye bye, take care.